Hello everyone. In my previous video, I will describe about energy, a renewable and non-renewable source of energy, about the sun or solar energy, hydroelectricity, and wind energy. Today in this video, I am going to describe about fossil fuel, and we all know that in modern world development of country depends upon amount of fossil fuel consumed or amount of petroleum product consumed. The fuel obtained from fossils are called fossils fuel. Fossils means what we know that when dead remains of plants and animals or living organisms get trapped inside the sedimentary rock before millions of years due to high temperature and high pressure that get decomposed, carbonization occurs or fossilization occurs that change into fuel which is known as fossil fuel. Various type of fossil fuel are used in our surrounding. It is found in the form of coal, mineral oil, natural gas that we describe today. At first, we discuss about what is fossil fuel. Energy, lesson 3 from physics of class 10. At first, we describe about fossil fuel. Here we write the fuel obtained from fossils is called fossil fuel, or we can also describe it as a firstly we describe fossil and then about fossil fuel, and where we write when a living organism trapped inside the sedimentary rock before millions of years ago. Called fossils. The fuel obtained from this is called fossils fuel, or fossil fuel also we call it. Before millions of years, due to different reasons, when mass of plant and animals buried inside the earth surface that get decomposed over long period of time and change into fuel, which is known as fossil fuel. Most common fossil fuel are coal, mineral oil, and natural gas. These common fossil fuel are used in our daily life, and respectively we describe about these all. And before that we discuss about how fossils are formed. Here question may arise is how fossils are formed. Fossils are formed by deposition of plant or dead animals inside the rocks. And here we write fossils are formed by deposition of plants, dead organisms inside the sedimentary rock. The question may arise is why fossils are only found in sedimentary rock? Because sedimentary rocks are formed by sedimentation and they are called sedimentation process or erosion and deposition process over a long period of time, and there is high chance of trapping living organism or the dead body of living organism inside the sedimentary rock, and therefore most of the fossils are found in here in sedimentary rocks. And here we describe about that here how fossils are formed. And here fossils are formed by deposition of plants, dead organisms inside the sedimentary rock due to high temperature and pressure. It decompose or chemically changed or carbonization occurs. Which is called fossilization. Listen, when a dead organism gets trapped inside the rocks, over millions of year deposition that goes in more depth inside the crust due to high temperature and pressure that get decomposed. That decomposition process also a chemical structure of that or compound found in dead organism get changed. It may change into carbon rich compound, which is also known as carbonization. This process of formation of fossil is also known as fossilization, or simply we can write fossils are formed by fossilization process by deposition of living organism inside the sedimentary rock. Now we respectively discuss about coal, minerals, natural gas, and then its advantage and disadvantage. At first, type of fossil fuel here we describe about coal. Coal is black solid fuel obtained from fossils which are used for various purposes like in industry, cement industry, brick industry, bakery industry, transportation like a railway and different other engine. For cooking purpose, then it is known as coal. And here we define it as a black or gray also we can write. Black solid fuel obtained from fossils is called coal. It is formed by deposition of living organism inside the sedimentary rock before millions of years ago. And in this way also we can write coal is also formed by fossilization process. And what are the various type of coals are found? Like a types of coal. Common type of coals here we describe like a anthracite. It contains more than 90% of carbon. Best quality of coal. Burn without a smoke. Burn without a smoke. Similarly, other is pit carbon or pit coal. It contains about 60% only carbon. Least quality. Other bituminous or butaminous also we can write. Nearly about 70% carbon. It is medium quality. Best quality of coal is here anthracite. It burn without a smoke. And in our country, in Nepal, mostly coal found is low quality, that is least quality of coal, which is known as what? Pit, and only contains 60% of. After that here, next type of fossil fuel we discuss here, mineral oil, or uses of coal also we can write. Uses of coal. It is used in industry like bricks, cement, metal, etc. Those type of industry which needs high temperature where we can use coal. Other, it is used in train or a railway. Nowadays that get replaced, or train engine get replaced by diesel engine, electric engine, and also can be used in train. Other here furnace, where we burn coal and produce enormous heat energy. Other we can use it. It is used to produce natural gas and petroleum products like kerosene, diesel, petrol also can be prepared by distillation of coal, which is known as the usage of or advantage of coal also. After that, some disadvantage also found, like it is difficult to transport because large mass, here large it is used in a large mass and mostly difficulty in transportation. Also, it pollute environment, generally gives more amount of smoke and gas. Here now we describe about other type of fossil fuel, mineral oil. Mineral oil is liquid fuel obtained from petroleum mines in fossils is called mineral oil. Several type of here mineral oils are found, like petrol, diesel, kerosene, other here engine oil, lubricating oil. These are here mineral, various type of mineral oils. It is easy, convenience to use mineral oil than a rest other source of energy or non-renewable source of energy, easy to transport also. And how it is obtained? The listen here, it is found in petroleum mines, and like here we draw a structure, a simple structure of here petroleum mine. In upper layer here rocks present there, it is called rocks. Inside the rock here, after that here also it is bedrock found, and then water surface here may found, and here inside the fossils or sedimentary rock that were found in the form of gas, and here mineral oil. That mineral oil is found in crude oil form. Which form? Crude oil. That get refined by fractional distillation process into petrol, diesel and kerosene. After that here, these mineral oils are used in various fields, and here we write how it is formed. The mineral oil are also formed by fossilization process. Due to high temperature and pressure, it changes into solid form, then it is called coal, and goes to more depth, and due to high pressure that change into crude oil, liquid form, then it is called mineral oil. And usage here, it is used in industries, various industries that mineral oils are used. Other used in transportation and communication. Other we can write, it is used in or used for or domestic purpose as fuel. Also we can write, it is used to produce electricity. This mineral oil can be used in a generator to produce electricity also. And in this way, what we found that here, mineral oil is also important source of energy on the earth's surface. It is also used for various purpose. And third type of fossil fuel is natural gas. In the petroleum mines, gaseous fuel also found. That gaseous fuel is used as a or source of energy in various sector, industrial sector, for domestic use, for commercial sector, like a several here mineral or natural gas based engine of vehicles are developed by car, bus, and also it is used as a cooking fuel in kitchen. Therefore, it is also most popular source of energy. And here we write gaseous fuel obtained from fossils is called natural gas. Listen, it is chemically butane or chemically butane. In which form it is formed? In isobutane. It is isomers of here butane that is used as a cooking gas. And here we write the usage of natural gas are here. It is used in vehicles as fuel. Other also we can write it is used as fuel for domestic use. Domestic use is for household. In kitchen it is used as a fuel. Other, it is used to produce electricity. And in this way, here we describe about uses or advantage of fossil fuel respectively in different terms. Uses of coal, uses of mineral oil, and then about the natural gas. Listen, natural gas. And here some disadvantage found in that fossil fuel. And what are these disadvantages? The fossil fuels is present on Earth's surface in a limited amount. If it get finished, then can't be replaced again in short period of time. That may get exhaust. And here we write disadvantage of fossil fuel, or fossil fuel also we can write. First disadvantage is here, it is non-renewable source of energy. Other disadvantage is here, it pollute environment. When it burn, then produce smoke, harmful gases, greenhouse gases, and therefore it pollute environment. Third, we can write it is difficult to transport from one place to another place. And here it is expensive source. It is a non-renewable source of energy, and due to that reason day by day its price is hiking. Other we can write here, consumption of this fuel may increase energy crisis. When this fuel continuously used for a long time, then in near future it may get exhaust or finished, and we may face or we have to face problem related to energy crisis. And in the next lesson we discuss about various alternative source of energy, and then about energy crisis causes and its preventive measures. Thank you.